Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Or not really. It's been raining like crazy in Southern California and I don't know what to do about this, but we are going to make a YouTube video to see if I could figure out how to stop all of this flooding that we have on the side of our house. Let's do some research. I checked and ours are not really clogged like this, but it might be a little bit further down. So we are going to go buy one of these drain augers. We are back from Home Depot. I always look for a crushed or messed up box because sometimes they will give you a discount. That one we actually got 10% off. Going to clean up all of this epoxy stuff and unbox the drain auger snake thing. I just read the instructions. My understanding is you manually feed and just squeeze the trigger and let it do its work. I'm going to try it on this first one over here. We have more down over there, but I'm guessing this one is what's causing most of the problem. Okay, it is clearly still flooded. I thought going towards the street would be the way to clear it, but my auger and snake is only 25 feet, so our other option is to try this one over here. Maybe it will drain in that direction. Let's try it. Unfortunately, this drain did not work, and I don't think the problem is up this way because it's relatively dry up here. So I still think the main problem is the last drain over there that goes into the street that's stuck. So let's try that again. It is draining a little bit, but I don't know if that is naturally or our auger snake actually helped, but clearly everything is still flooded. And this is, I think, the first video where I completely failed and was not able to fix the problem. Luckily, we do have a plumber friend that I am going to call right now. Please let me know if I'm missing something and this is a thing I could DIY, or it is time to call the professionals. Video 133 done.